Sekhukhune I, also known as Sekhukhune Matsebe, was the king of the Marota, more commonly known as the pedi or pedi people. He ruled from the 21st of September 1861 until his assassination on the 13th of August 1882. When his father Sekwati died in 1861, Mampuru II, Sekhukune's half-brother who was the son of Temamulilo, claimed the throne. However, Sekhukhune challenged Mampuru's claim and forcibly took the throne. Mampuru was forced to flee into exile. During his reign, Sekhukhune employed various strategies to strengthen the Marota kingdom and defend it against external threats. He sent young men to work in white farms and diamond mines, taxing their earnings. The revenue generated from the taxed earnings of these young men enabled the Marota people to